I'm sure a picture got formed in your mind right now, and that is a picture of your own kitchen, right? Yeah, it is like that. The point. Whenever we want to create a mental picture in the mind of our listener or our reader, or in the mind of our viewer, as you are right now, what do? Inappropriate words shall never. Yeah, these three words are repression, suppression, and oppression. A picture is a poem or poem without words. Picture. Have a look at these pictures. How are these pictures created? I'm sure you know. These pictures are created with the help of or by using different devices, tools, or resources. For example, pencils, crayons, colors, drawing sheets, papers, or in modern days, Canva, stencil, recite, Pablo, sketch, and many more. These pictures are created with the help of these devices, tools, and resources. But there is another picture. Guess where? Yeah, you are right. There is a picture in our minds. Listen to my words carefully. As you listen to my words, at the same time, a picture shall get formed in your mind. Kitchen. I'm sure a picture got formed in your mind right now, and that is a picture of your own kitchen, right? Yeah, it is like that. Let's practice. Father. Whose picture is there in your mind? Your father's. Mother. No, the picture of your mother. Doctor. Some picture is there? Yeah, it is there. Market, playground, school, college, university, mobile phone, laptop, computer, road, bike, and so on. Frankly, let me know. As I said some word, did some picture get formed in your mind? Yeah, it got formed. These pictures got formed in your mind. Yeah, you got the answer. With the help of the words I was speaking. The point. Whenever we want to create a mental picture in the mind of our listener or our reader, or in modern days, in the mind of our viewer, as you are right now, what do? We create this mental picture by using words. What? Words. Point. We shall be very careful in choosing words. Means we should be choosy as far as this choice of words is concerned. Why? The reason is very simple. What's that? That the inappropriate words shall never let the desired image formed in the mind of our listener, in the mind of our reader, or in the mind of our viewer. Do you agree? I'm sure you do. As it makes sense. Let's try to comprehend the meanings of 3 words. Why to comprehend the true meanings, the real meanings? I'm sure you know that it's the appropriate word which helps us create the desired mental picture in the mind of our listener, our reader, or our viewer. These 3 words are repression, suppression, and oppression. Repress. What does it mean? To not allow something be expressed, especially feelings. What does it mean? It means that to not allow the feelings to be expressed. Once again, to not allow feelings to be expressed, or to control what people do, especially by using force. Yeah, what people do, how to control by using force. Such control is known repression, and not allowing the people express their feelings is also called repression. Suppress. To end something. Yeah, to end something by force. How? By force. Or to put an end to the activities of a person, to the activities of a body of persons, etc. Ending something or ending these activities by force is called suppression. I'm sure you got the idea. Oppress. To govern people. How? In an unfair way, or in a cruel way, or both. I mean, in an unfair and cruel way, and prevent them from having opportunities and freedom. This unfair and cruel way of governing the people and preventing them from having opportunities and freedom is called oppression. MashaAllah, you picked the point. Examples. Repress. People who repress their emotions risk having nightmares. The government was quick to repress any opposition. Suppress. He who can suppress a moment's anger, very, very important point. A moment's anger may prevent a day of sorrow. Yeah, a day of sorrow. The dictator tried to suppress all criticism of him. Oppress. For years now, the people have been oppressed by a ruthless dictator. In his speech, the president spoke against those who continue to oppress the poor. Please practice these 3 words. Thank you. See you soon, inshallah.